Number one, on behalf of your residents wa Keroka who petitioned me both from Nyamira na KISII County, I went to court. Because I believe you to take a process it a bit ego issue for a very long time.
Yes.
In 2013, Kero devolution yanste. Umogavana kaba elected umogavana Nyagarama.
Ndio.
The late, may God rest his soul in peace. No Mogavana Ngwai.
Right.
They came to Keroka before conflict they answered. Keroka Keroka ne team GQS tia Nyamira ne tia KISII baka survey. Keroka survey bakamanya kobeke para yo morom para.
Yes.
Ego di market. Keroka ndowate lami mainewe.
Yes.
Tukatwara kalami kari Muskenya moya wa Roseti. Ikararenga se local authorities.
Right.
Tukatwara e back street ya Mukurumaya. Tukatwara ya Kabere Kurumaya. Yo Muske the two governors came.
Yes.
And now KISII County did actually para ringengia sana yo moro. Ego di market side ya KISII ni side ya Charali. Kocha Nyamira kocha Rugaiga. Ekeroba koraigo KISII ganze katawano it's making its own market. Toje market mainere side ya Keroka ya Nyamira County.
Yes.
Kata is doing baganza those processes. Ebindo biganza buya morembole ngoro. Along the way to 2014 wono na andi kisegi kiganza madandu badonga very expansionist nature. Kisegi kama wanza baganza ko move Boni and I want to categorically stay. One of the reasons I went to court, KISII County Lands Registry, KISII County Government, they are in conspiracy. Kyoko Council leases, Jabanto Keroka. Abantu bale gari bit asna to akorokaji bo mobile asma aftare rubis go chiro gari. I can give you a few names. Onyamwaya, Onyagoto, Baruata Morimogari owns Piumusio Mons Bakarugoro.
Alright.
There is a conspiracy one gig and rete. You Korean and Yavanta Marimo. About it, Nana Bakavahoto. Bakotainga, if you don't want to pay us leases, we'll sit down, we cancel. Bakwa new lease. It's these conspiracies, even if you in the big togage. And one of the reasons why I went to court, we believe that one, a court is an administrator. A court in the Okare order abantu chikondi chiangire kwa wana. Ntaragenda court actually ekero chikura chera my governor his excellency Amos Nyaribo. Omo senator no Kongo mugeni. Omo women rep okoro kujerusha mumanyi. Omo bunge okoro kunga Clive Zero. They sat igore boundary in Nairobi. Bakateba tigatorore inakito ku engage our counterparts from KISII. Bakatomo moskegi sairo akachukua ndro moskegi side ya monokoro kumanduku.
Yes.
When they spoke, there was no agreement. We've tried to bring Omo Governor KISII on board to discuss this issue through the normal dispute resolution arbitration. But Omo Governor KISII, I think he's been busy with his fight in KISII. We've not had that time. In Chomonyere, I even called, even before I went to court, I called Omo Ichinuwa Domoske Siocha. Kamatebi, I'm moving to court because of this and this. Okay, Kamtebi you the solution, and we agreed. So I was very shocked. Ekerowa korenta guns, warenta sungu, wayambaka basgari, wacha go disrupt peace. Waishu mbaka leaflet yeko inside ya bandonga military go collect, and it's not us. Wacha go inside ya one. And one of the reasons someone of the court is that we have to find a solution. If our fathers and grandfather failed to find a solution into Nava Ketore, to Asomira, to a very exposed Ake, why can't you find solutions using the channel? That's the reason I went to court. Right. In 1992. Ekero Nyamira district, were formed. A government, with explaining a county, the new district, even a county Nyamira. Ige what is Kurasa and Bakariga. Igatewa yani karuwe the beyond birikiri. Igatewa ige kubwata kuru this side mbake section even if difficult birikiri. Na hande nona bakaka bali bakale abanta ebintamanye they were still in exist wale oromba kaboni abale moyo abange ba mbororo bale moyo they know renchi achite ngwe na Nyagarama bakaranga yi ekainabo omo governor ngwaye akarosie para elie kurugucha yatiri mugeta beyond the north yatiri mbokagari yasoka go chigesero yenda mwino gari asitwerende chire ase gari kera kabani wakonyare korendere je makorokoro no muchanga bakarosie pare go dikameke tibia. There was no issue.
Igona kuko tebanga
issue go yansete because of greedy people. Abantu bano banza kumuvunga yaya tote toru geganseto, you know, that kind of konya kwamera niko inera ndeshida isigie kama kwa in April